you guys, welcome back to DIY Dreams, and today we're going to be doing something pretty amazing. I'm talking about big projects here. Today we're going to be transforming my backyard, so that will involve me showing you step by step how we planted our garden this year. We're going to be doing some sweeping, a lot of weeding, and we're going to be maybe in the future doing some more updates for you. So I'm really excited to do this today. If you like this fun, interesting content, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and you might become part of DIY Dreams. Now, on to the video.
So the next thing that we did was grab boxes and lay them down on our plots. This helps with weeds. It makes it easier so you do not have to weed as much or as often. This also makes it easier because, well, who wouldn't want to just lay some boxes down? don't forget to water. This year we used a mixture of fertilizer and water.
So I hope you enjoyed that. As I said, it was a little bit different than normal. It was a very big project and it took us a very long time, but I'm pretty happy how my backyard turned out. And I'm definitely going to be spending the most of my summer back in my backyard, lounging and having a great time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and you might become part of DIY Dreams. Now, until next time, bye guys!